Here's the new setup. X1 Carbon, Bambu Labs. Gonna try something I've never been able to try before. ABS. Open this sucker up. This is hard with one hand. Here it is. It's this nice blue color. I don't remember why. I've had this ABS roll forever, for ages. Let's put it in. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, it's loading it back there. Interesting. And now it's unloading it. Now to print. That's what we're printing. It's part of a doorstop. Gonna try it in ABS because it keeps breaking. Slice. Print. No flow cal, because I'm using the textured plate. It's using A3. All right, send. All right, it's done. Whoop. Looks pretty good. Popped right off. Ooh.